Guys, welcome to my channel. So as I told in the last video, I had two more parcels to be delivered, that is from Bookchor and from an Instagram page called Pick a Book. So today I'll be unboxing these two parcels. So first let me open the parcel from Bookchor. They have a very tight, secure package. I don't know, I'll take. I had ordered it during the sale. I have got one free bag along with my order, and also a free book. Oh, okay. We have a bookmark. How you doing from Bookchor. This is so pretty. And there is a personalized note from them which says, "Hello Mangala, thanks so much for believing in us. We hope you enjoy the books." Bookchor.com. So this is the free book that I got with the order above $5.99, I suppose. $5.99 or $6.99. This is the free book that I have got, which is The Clock Dance by Annie Taylor. I have no idea what the book is about, but this book was given as a gift. So happy with this. And this is a tote, a small bag to keep your books secure. Okay. Now, as you all know, Bookchor has old books, second-hand books, as well as new books. Since this was my first time ordering it from them, so I did not buy any new books. Rather, I bought all in the form of good or readable books. They will have category new, good or readable. So I bought all either good or readable. So I have my order here. So I will tell you as I get the book. Okay, so there was a combo offer of Dan Brown special, 4 books. Four Dan Brown books for just rupees 300. And I must tell you that book quality is pretty good. So the books are Deception Point, Angel and Demons, The Da Vinci Code, and The Lost City. Books are of readable format. I see that it's okay, it is slight yellow, but for the price that I paid, I'm quite happy with my purchase. 4 books, I got it for 300 rupees. This is one of the big books, and we all know that his Dan Brown books are really very good. Some of them are beginner friendly, some are not, but those are very nice. So I did not expect good quality books, though they are from readable format. They are good. Then I have one more book set, that is these 3 books. I got it for 210 rupees, and those are the 50 Shades of Grey. This trilogy is 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades Freed, 50 Shades Darker, and 50 Shades of Grey. Again, these 3 books I got it for 210 rupees. These are also readable format, and I must say they are very good, guys. I did not expect there is no bend here and there. Books pages are so intact. Only thing is it is slight yellow. Apart from that, I don't feel anything wrong with this book. Wow, I'm quite happy. For 210 rupees I got 3 books, that too that is 50 Shades of Grey, that is by E.L. James. Then I got some standalone books, that is one more much anticipated book on the internet, Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. This also I bought it in the good format. I paid 140 rupees for this book, and the condition is pretty good. I don't have any complaint with that. The condition is good. And the next one, oh my god, this in the Flipkart or Amazon sale was very costly, so I thought of looking for it on Bookchor, and this was for for 99 rupees. And it is good. I'm really happy. This, you know, that it's a very good thriller book, and why not a thriller, right? That too by Paula Hawkins. This will be my first read of this author. And the last one, the most favorite romantic book, that is Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And guess what, guys? This was also in the readable format, but very good condition. Even this I paid only 99 rupees. So this total, all these books, I bought it for 828 rupees, 848 rupees, and I got so many books from Bookshop. Able and in the good conditions, but they are really good. So I got 3, 6, 10 books for 848 rupees, and I'm very happy with this purchase. Wow. I think I'll buy more from them. Not soon, but in some time I'll buy more from them because the quality is really nice. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next package. So as I said, I got this through an Instagram page. So these days, you know, if you check on Instagram, there are so many sellers who are having a good online presence, who are selling books at an affordable price. Not just these shopping giants like Amazon or Flipkart. Even we can check these Instagram pages where they deliver to you. Of course, with a little bit of shipping charges, because they are not a big giants like others, so they charge a little bit of shipping cost from you, but the book quality, new books they will give you, new or some pre-loved book also, at a affordable price. So all such Instagram accounts I will leave it in my description box. And also I got this from a page called as Pick a Book. Okay, so and oh, and a cute little sanitizer. That's so cool. A small sanitizer packet given here. And a note which says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Your purchase means the world to us. Happy reading. Pick a book." That's so cute. Personalized gifts like this will make you so happy, right? And also they have 2 bookmarks. Okay. So as I said, these are from the same author, that is these are new books. This is the note. Take a picture. First is, all these 3 books are by Khalid Hosseini. The first one is the Kite Runner. And the second one is 1,000 Splendid Suns. And the last one, oh, there are 2 bookmarks here. Read Your Heart Out. Pick a book. Read before you think. 2 cute bookmarks. And the last one is And the Mountains Echo. My god, I was so much waiting for these 3 books, and it was quite costly on the sale. So these 3 books costed me $4.99. It's a combo offer, so it's costed me $4.99, plus they charged me 49 rupees for shipping. So that is together $5.48. I got these 3 books, which are original books. So I thought, why not give it a try, because at this rate I felt this is quite affordable, and these are gems. You all know that how good these 3 books are. So excited to read this. So that's it, guys. So today I had 2 parcels, and I know I have shopped a lot of books this time. So no more shopping for quite some time now. These are all the books that I bought from the Book Chore and also from Pick a Book. So if you are looking for some cheap and affordable books, you can definitely try Book Chore, because looking at this quality and for the amount I paid, I don't feel any difference between a new book and this book, except for this part here. except that there is no bending of pages, no tearing, nothing. It's such a nice quality books. So if you're looking for something cheap and affordable, definitely give try to bookcho.com. So I'll link their website in my description box, as well as all the Instagram pages which I know. I will be linking them in the description box below. Do give them a try. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a reading vlog will be coming soon on my channel. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and keep reading. Bye bye.